What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you are new here. Today we have another Soul Supremacy beater box, $850 for the box, plus the $40 shipping, so we got an $890 box. But yo, before we get into this box, a major thank you and shout out to each and every one of you guys who killed it last week ordering from me, especially you guys who ordered the mystery boxes, man. That was crazy. You guys came through, showed up and showed out. Everybody's happy with the boxes. Greatly appreciated, man. It just humbles me every time you guys gift me a large lump sum of money and put faith in me to actually provide you guys with a quality box. So, man, I'm just so humbled and grateful for that. I want to say thank you for it, man. I wish I could remember all you guys' names off top. I would shout you out, but I don't want to forget nobody. So I'm not going to even name none of y'all. But thank you to each and every one of you guys. Back to this box, man. $890 from Soul Supremacy out in California, the Bay Area. Probably the best resale, consignment shop in the country, as far as I'm concerned, man. Very good guys over there. And man, they always hook it up for us in these boxes. We're gonna jump right in this one. If you're new to the channel, nothing more, nothing less than just a mystery box full of shoes. My knife kind of dull. All right, we in there. 890 bucks. We starting off with some loose pair. And you guys already know anything over 700, you get a Yeezy. Not all the time we see these though without a box. These are the Wave Runners, the original Wave Runners. No box. Looking at it, size 7. Whoever had these joints had them laced up extremely tight. But check those out. These actually still have a lot of life left in them. Whoever had them wore them lightly. These are base size 7. Well, I can't say that. It's a couple of you guys wear size 7, so you know, whatever. But anyway, Wave Runners. These kind of grew on me. I had a few of these in mystery boxes, so the more I started seeing them, the more I kind of liked them. But I don't know, it just depends on how you rock it. Next up, we got an SB. I don't know nothing about SBs, guys. We got Nike Dunk High Premium SB in a size 10. Check that out. I think my light is like blasting the size so you guys can see it. And I did all that for nothing because these are not SBs. We have the Nike Uptempos. Even have a GOAT tag in there. Allergies killing me. Check these out. These are pre-owned. These things sell really fast. Let me double check the size. These are a 9.5. These are the 2015 release. This to me, back in the day when I was a kid, this was a grill shoe for me. Loved this shoe when I was growing up. I've had a few of them in beater boxes. I rocked them. I don't have them anymore, but they still nice to look at. I just don't need them in my collection anymore. But these are pretty dope, man. Pretty solid shoe. Again, size 9.5. No box. Will come with the nice blue replacement box. Got another Adidas. All right, look like maybe an outlet find or something. I'm not too sure. These are a size 5 NMD R1 in that good old collegiate navy colorway. These are still dead stock. Still have the tag on them. Check those out. Size 5. This is actually a nice colorway. I like the navy blue. NMDs. We got some Reeboks. Unfortunately, we got 2 pair of Reeboks. Size 10.5 Reebok Shaq Attaqs. Not what you normally see in an $890 box. I've actually had these before, and the sad part was when I did get these before, they came in a dono box. So I have no idea why they are in this. Well, I guess they were a lot more worn, but these seem to be dead stock. Shaq Attaqs. I don't know the value of these. Got that good old pump on the front. I don't know if y'all can hear that or not. I don't even know how that technology works. I've had pumps before when I was a kid, but I didn't know what I was doing. I was just squeezing the tongue. Pause, but yeah, anyway. Size 10.5, still have the tag on the inside. Bam, that's them. I got an interesting box at the bottom, and I actually have that shoe here already, so I already know what's in it, so I'm kind of excited about it. We got an Air Jordan 5 Retro 10, size 10, in that good old face box. Old fire reds with the Nike Air on the inside and on the back. Yellowed, of course, due to the age. I'm trying to find the tag so I can see exactly what year these are. These are very, very clean. Of course, they had the yellow one. Some people actually like the yellow one, say it shows a lot of character or age of the shoe or whatever. For some reason, they like it. These do not have a lot of creasing at all. Very lightly worn. These were definitely in the possession of a true collector. They are a size 10. This tag says 10/16/99. So 1999. These are old, very good condition. How are these shoes still standing right now? Where the true collectors at, man? Where the OG collectors at? Dang, no sole separation at all. Let me double check before I. No sole separation. These are clean. These actually look still wearable for 99. I don't know how that happens, but somebody had them and put them up. Let's get this other Reebok box out the way. We got 3 pair left, including this one. Size 10.5. Now, a lot of people love and hate this shoe. These are the Shaqnosis. I, even as a kid, when these came out, wasn't feeling these. I don't know, man. This just, I don't know. It just wasn't me. But again, dead stock pair of Shaqnosis, size 10.5. Not gonna pull out the other one because they're dead stock. All right, man. This is random. I know I normally don't do this, but real quick, I'm looking up these shoes right now on Go. I'm just chilling in the man cave, posting shoes online, whatever. And, you know, got to do your research, see what the shoes going for after the box. Like normal, looking up the shoes. These things, size 10.5, Shaqnosis. Man, tell me why the cheapest price on GOAT in a size 10, these are 10.5, is like 550 bucks. The cheapest offer on StockX in this 10.5, the cheapest price is 300 bucks, yo. This is a straight sleeper in the box. I had no idea this shoe was valued that high. I know when I seen that price, I was just like, oh my God! Wow! All right, that's all I want to say. Back to the video. Next up, we got an Air Jordan 4. Tail from the box in a size 11.5. Boom. We got some 4s. First thing I check for is stars, and we have plenty on here. Let's see if you guys, if this camera will focus, check those out. Still have a lot of life left in these. These don't have a high resale value, but you know, still bring back, you know, at least a good penny from the box. Size 11.5. Check out the bottom. Boom. I don't have a lot of size 11.5 people here locally. Like it goes from 10.5, 11, then it just jumps straight to a 12. It's hard for me. I don't know why 11.5 is hard for me to move. Well, I can't say hard. Nothing really hard for me to move now, but I guess harder. It's not. Nothing's really too complicated anymore. Here locally to move. These, while I'm talking, are the Air Jordan 11 Premium, size 10. If you follow me on Instagram, you see I just posted this shoe in a size 7.5 that I have sitting. I don't know if you guys can see that. No, you guys can't. Anyway, I got a dead stock pair of these in a size 7.5. So let's see what these look like. With the wave runners and all of that, I highly doubt that these are dead stock. because I know the wave runners gonna bring back a big chunk of change of the box. And yeah, these are not dead stock, but these and the wave runners alone will cover more than half the box. These are dope, size 10. Oh my gosh. Yo, these might be some keepers. These look so good in my size, man. I had the 7.5 just sitting here chilling. I had gotten another mystery box, and I don't post all the mystery boxes, especially now since you guys buy the mystery boxes from me. You know what I mean? I don't want to show y'all everything. It got to be a surprise for y'all too. So yeah, somebody actually almost got those in their mystery box this week, but I ended up replacing it with a couple of other higher ticket items. But anyway, size 10, very, very clean. Yeah, got the regular rope laces in case you don't like this premium grade lace. These are fire, man. These are dope, man. These are gonna be hard to pass up. I gotta see how the rest of the box do before I can just say I'm keeping these, because you guys know I struggle really bad with keeping shoes. Struggle really bad. I know these are a 10, so I don't even know if I can fit them. I'm normally a 10.5, 11. But anyway, you guys will see down below if these are for sale or not. Maybe I might have to move something else and keep these. Those are pretty hard. Anyway, end of the box, man. $890 box. Let me know down below what you think of it, man. Rate this box between a 1 and a 10. I'm actually a fan of it. I gotta see what the value on those wave runners are. And I know these right here are at least, I don't know, $300-400 right here. So, because I know the ones I have dead stock over here are like 5 or 6. So anyway, leave comments down below. Hit me up if you guys are interested. Like I said, anything in this box, or if you want a mystery box yourself, you can always DM me or email me. I'll let you guys make the price point. Just email me. We'll work out the details. PayPal or Cash App. Follow me everywhere: Twitter, Instagram, eBay at TGOTSOLE. Appreciate you guys watching. I'm out. Peace.